Pork and Saba banana recipe at my specialty recipe. Pork limpo or kasim. Star anise. Cover and bring to boil. Simmer pork until all water evaporates, and pork cook in its own oil. Continue to cook until the liquid totally evaporates. Cook a little bit longer in low-medium heat until oil gets extracted from the pork. Stir fry for a few minutes until pork start to render fat and edges turn to brown, or you can fry it directly. Transfer them to a container and put all the ingredients. Garlic, onion, bay leaves, ground pepper. Mix well. Ketchup. Mix well. Like and comment, don't forget to. Soy sauce. Mix well. Marinate for 40 minutes or overnight. Peel and slice the Saba banana into half or bite size. Use ripe but firm Saba bananas. Fry the sliced Saba banana until the color of each side turns medium to dark brown. Flip to cook the other side. Do not over-fried. Remove from the pan. Set aside. In the same pan and oil, add the garlic, sauté until fragrant. Add onion and sauté. Add ground pepper and bay leaves, sauté. Add the marinated pork. Sear the meat to add color and depth of flavor. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe at my specialty recipe. Add liver spread. Stir well. Pork cubes optional. Subscribe now. Add the fried bananas. Stir gently to coat with the sauce. Continue to cook until pork is fork tender and sauce is reduced. Thanks for watching at my specialty recipe. Like and comment, don't forget to. At my specialty recipe, follow now. Comment your location to know where my video got to. Transfer to a serving plate. Serve for bulletin or as a main dish with warm rice. Share and enjoy. Thanks for watching. God bless.